Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today I'm going to be introducing another new product for you guys. Instead of being one of our own products or a carless suspension product, we figured we'd come out and bring something from another SoCal-based small business like ourselves, kind of a unique product that fills a niche that actually we get a lot of questions about. And that question is, how do I carry a 35 or even a 37-inch or larger spare on my newer diesel truck when the factory compartment just won't allow for it, and I really don't want to drill my bed out or do any of these other crazy mounts out there in the market. So Rig Supply is actually a local company. We've actually known these guys for a while. They came up with a really simple, really clever trailer hitch mount that's going to be able to mount your spare tire behind your tailgate. It's going to fully swing open to allow you to use your tailgate, use your truck as a truck, yet close and be rattle free and haul your spare around for trips and things like that. So it's actually a very unique mount. There's a lot of cool little features to it. We're just going to touch on a few quick ones today. First off, you'll be able to still tow with this. This hitch will still maintain a 10,000 pound capacity at the hitch or a 1,000 pound pin weight. So for those of you hauling a boat side by side, things like that, you're still going to be able to carry the spare in between your truck and your trailer. The mount also has a secondary receiver hitch. So for those of you who are using mountain bike racks, luggage racks, cargo racks, hitch mounted barbecues, any of that stuff, you're actually still going to be able to use it on the mount, and you're actually be able to swing that out of the way. So say you're mounting a mountain bike rack on the back of this thing, you need to get to the tailgate, you'll be able to unlatch it and actually open the whole thing out of the way, and it actually has 250 pounds of capacity there, and that way you're still able to access your bed and do everything you need to do with your truck. So we thought this would actually fill a very unique niche for you guys. So many people ask, like, hey, where do you guys mount your spare tires? Pretty much every one of us at the shop has something different. One of our guys took a B&W turnover ball and custom machined a spare tire mount that's going to plug into that. However, don't ask, because I'm pretty sure he went through about 50 blanks before he could even come up with a mount that works. Some of our guys just ratchet strap in the bed. Some of us have drilled in D-rings. So we all have a different technique. However, this is a very simple bolt-on, bolt-off operation. This isn't something you would necessarily need to keep on the truck full-time. Around town, you always have AAA and those similar services to, patch a tire, help you out. However, on road trips and things like that, this would actually be extremely convenient. Rig Supply is also a brand who kind of specializes in the overland category, so they do have a lot of cool little add-ons for this. I believe there's like a table, you can mount roto packs, gas canisters, water canisters, things like that. So it's a really cool kind of Swiss Army knife of a trailer hitch spare tire mount, if you will. And again, this requires no permanent modification of the truck, so it's super simple. Allows you to take a 37-inch or larger even spare. I believe they've even put up to 40-inch tires on these without issue. It's relatively light for what it is, being a fully fabricated hitch. And also another thing that I wanted to note, sure someone's going to ask, like, hey, I can make this myself with some pins and some bolts in my garage. This UltraSwing is actually very unique. They have a lot of, actually they have multiple layers of rattle prevention. So starting at where it mounts on the truck all the way up to where the hinges and where everything locks, there's a bunch of steps to reduce rattling. So you're not gonna have this 37-inch spare swinging in your rearview mirror as you're going down the street. It's a very solid setup, so it is a very utilitarian setup. And again, the Rig guys, they put probably thousands of dirt miles on these setups without issue. Now, we always try to respond to feedback we get from you guys. I know a lot of you guys think, well, we just make these videos and blow by, but someone actually does read all these comments, read all the emails. We take phone calls every day. So we actually put these on this website just due to feedback from you guys. In fact, I believe it was actually a customer that first said, hey, why don't you carry these? You guys are from the same area. I'm like, hey, we actually know these guys. Why don't we carry them? So lo and behold, we now have them on the website. Again, a Southern California made product, keeping jobs in the US. There's free shipping on this. The link will be down below if you'd like to purchase one. If you have any questions, comment down below, shoot us an email, and we'll see you guys on the next one.